I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 8 to May the 14th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dyan po yan sa ating kabilang channel, No Cancer. Marami tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. And I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, Cancer. Medyo hindi lang natin alam ang gagawin dito sa mga challenges na dumadating. Sometimes nakakaisip tayo na, should I give up? Should I let this go? Should I fight? No? Should I give this a good fight? Should I run? Should I jump? No? Ang dami kasing pwede mong gawing actions, but there's also a lot of things na hindi mo na alam kung saan direction tayo papunta. Nagsunod-sunod sila. I saw a post na sabi nung binata, no? Nagmumura siya, sabi niya, ano ba naman problema to? Sabi niya, sunod-sunod, sabi niya ganyan. Papalag naman sabi niya. Isa-isa lang, no? Isa-isa lang, and then yung eyes niya, medyo wanted to cry, medyo teary na. So, parang ganun, yung nakita ko. Papalag naman, kakayanin naman, no? Huwag lang sabay-sabay. So, parang feeling mo nagagang up ka, no? Nitong energies na ito. Energies because it might be an event, it might be a situation, it might be people, no? Parang sinasabi mo, kakayanin ko naman, wag lang naman. Gusto nyo may number kayo, no? Or mag-schedule natin yan. Wag naman sabay-sabay, no? With the 9 of Staves, the 8 of Vessels. Oh, wow. The Page of Vessels. So, ang nakikita natin dito, Cancer, medyo nagsisimula ka ng parang turning your focus in a different direction. Probably, ang nakikita kasi natin dito, Cancer, medyo tumitingin-tingin tayo sa pwedeng maging solusyon, even to a point na ang solusyon nito is iwan, no? Itong situation, no matter how much you love this energy. Let's say when it comes to finances or wealth, let's say meron kang source of income ngayon. You're very thankful na nandoon itong source of income mo. However, parang feeling mo medyo hindi maganda yung environment, hindi maganda kung saan ko nakukuha itong source of income na ito. So what I am going to do here is probably checking, no, some other options. To a point, no, there may be times that I probably thinking of leaving this source of income in exchange for what my heart, no, makes me happy. When it comes to the career or job, siguro ganun din. Yes, we are very thankful na meron tayong trabaho, pero it felt like my heart is not here anymore. I feel like I am not needed. I feel like I'm stuck with the situation. I feel like I need to do something um, na parang hindi ko drag yung sarili ko um, sa trabaho. Because ang hirap no, nung situation when you wake up in the morning, maliligo ka, papasok ka, no? Pagdating mo sa trabaho, you might feel like, anong oras ba? Hindi pa ba uwian? No? Um, you're really looking forward for that entire day to end and then restart na naman ng ganon. So, it felt like you're drained. When it comes to singlehood, relationships, singles tayo, um, are you actually believing siguro sinabi mo na dito, baka tama nga sila, no, na medyo um, mahirap akong kasama, no, baka tama nga sila na hindi ako pang jowa material, so um, should I accept being single forever? So parang ganon. Crushes, doon sa mga crushes and no labels, um, parang ang sinasabi mo dito since wala namang growth, wala akong nakikitang pagbabago dito sa relationship as a dynamic with my person. Include na natin itong third party situation. You feel like kahit gaano kita kamahal, I wanna turn my back on this for me to feel the happiness, no? Bakit kasi yung iba nakakakuha ng happiness somewhere but hindi ko gayahin? What if kaya mag-dating app ako, humanap ng AFAM, no? Or kung AFAM naman, humanap ng Pilipino. You're really seeking for options in here. One thing's for sure, satisfaction is not guaranteed anymore. Ganun din yata in a relationship and married couple, satisfaction is not guaranteed. You feel like nauumay, no? Tayo, not because of the person, but because of the situation. Siguro meron ditong mga promises, but it felt like the promises didn't even happen. Instead of parang umaayos, parang mas lalong gumulo yung buhay. That's how you perceive things as of the moment. That's why I said na parang medyo negative, no? Yung dumadating, your perceptions natin. Well, I cannot blame you for that, especially kung nagsunod-sunod nga, no? With the 8 of staves, so medyo nababawasan naman from 9 to 8. 7 of Pentacles, but you have to wait a little, and the 2 of Pentacles. Now, with regard to the 2 of Pentacles, let's clarify that. The High Priestess, well, that makes sense, and the World card. So there's something about mentality. There's something about how you react to things. Kasi ang sabi nga nila, ang karma kasi, it's more of how you react to things. Tinatawag lang natin itong good karma, no? Kung maganda yung nangyayari, of course. And we reacted happily. Kung karma, kasi pag good karma, medyo ang tawag natin siya blessings. No? Pag karma, period, it's more of the negative side. Pero karma kasi is positive or negative, no? And that's actually how you react to things. With the 8 of Staves, so medyo merong parating this week. And the 7 of Pentacles is, I think that this is something that you probably waited for. Pero ang sabi dito is, tatanggapin mo ba or hindi? It might be a specific event. It might be a decision making. But with the High Priestess, it should be decided by you. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan meron tayong piliin, no? And whatever this clarity is, I think that this will change everything, no? Kaya siguro yung obstacle and challenges dito, meron ng gap. Kasi this is the end, or this is the week where all these challenges is about to end. So when it comes to finances and wealth, So, kung ano man ito mga nawala, I feel like may bigla ang dadating, bigla ang pera. Um, and it also kind of make me feel na maitatawid na natin, no? Itong mga challenges, pagkakautang, what have you. Careers and job, I feel like kung wala ka pang trabaho, meron dadating. Biglaan din. And I think that this will change your perspective and even your status in life, no? When it comes to relationships, singles, baka eto na, no? Itong week na to makakahanap tayo. And I feel like siguro this is also the time wherein we need to really be open um, to opportunities. We need to be open to new ideas, no? Wag tayo dun sa mga, ang tawag doon, natawag na sa ganung idea, yung, oh shoot, nakalimutan ko. Um, yung parang, pag dumating siya, ayaw mo naman, pero pag nakilala mo, at nakilala mo ng lubusan, doon mo siya magugustuhan. No? Hindi unreciprocative yun eh. Whatever, parang ganun yung kanyang unrequited love. There you go. With crushes or no labels, I feel like mababago naman, no? This week. Ngayon, that depends on you. Katulad nga with the High Priestess, buntot mo, hila mo. If you wanted to stay, there will be changes. If you wanted to move forward and leave the person behind, I feel like there's someone who's going to come into your life. This is totally brand new person, but it also requires for you to totally drop, no? Your connection, your ties with the past, crushes and no labels, yun ha. However, in a relationship, well, I think in a relationship ganun din. Kasi iba yung married couple, and separations, I feel like there's reconciliations in here. Kung ano man yung mga naging challenges, bridging the gap with this gap on the obstacles. Harmony will be harvested, but it also requires changes in you, changes for the person. It's not just going to happen and land on your lap, no? Efforts are needed. Third party situation, I feel like, again, buntot may hila mo, whatever it is. So I feel like nasabi ko yon. Third party situation, if you want to move forward, I feel like makakita ka naman, no, ng iyong katuwang na pwede mong tawagin sa'yo. If you wanted to stay, I feel like ikaw naman ang pipiliin. So, if you want to go deep dive into that, probably you can, again, this is general kasi, no? You can do some personal readings. And speaking of that, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali sa live sessions. Mababait po yung tao dyan. If in case hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as in question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. I posted the number po doon for payment purposes, hindi po para tumawag. Hindi po ako nag-entertain ng call. The reason being is because nagre-record po tayo. Baka maputol, sayang naman, no? And second, baka hindi, iba po kasi yung time frame ng aking tulog. Baka yung tawag ninyo is baka istorbo sa tulog, mahirap kumuha ng tulog. Ma-postpone yung mga tracks, no? Kung hindi naman po inaasahan yung tawag, wag pong tumawag. Again, no, the number is there for payment purposes, no? So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Scorpio, no? So yan po ang inyong reading, Cancer, love, and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the